Comments on Google Docs are a great way to organize your notes, to annotate them, or to get feedback from others. To comment on something, you can just highlight whatever piece of text that you want to comment on and click this plus sign on the right side. Here you can see I can type in whatever I want, and when I click comment, it'll post it on the side of my page. Now there's multiple things I can do with this comment. If I want, I can edit it, and if I click save, it'll save those changes to this comment. I can delete it, and it'll delete this comment from the right side of my page. It'll delete all its responses, and it'll delete it from my comment history, which you'll be able to see right here. I can also generate a link to the comment, and what this will do is, like, say I need to come back to this comment, I can use this link and it'll return me back here. I can also reply to my comment, or someone else can reply to other people's comments just by clicking on this comment and typing in something here. And by clicking reply, my response will show up right below this comment. And it has the same functions as the other comment. I can edit it or I can delete it. And if I delete it, it won't delete the main comment, it'll just delete my response. Now, if you click this check mark, it'll mark as resolved. So this won't permanently delete the comment from my history like delete does. It'll just hide this discussion from the right side of my page. You can still access this comment in my comment history. You can see what it was originally highlighting. You can see my original comment. And you can see right here it was marked as resolved. If I want, I can click reopen, and that will bring the comment back to the right side of my screen so I can see it on my page again. And yeah. So there's also another type of comment that's, say you want to like direct it directly towards someone. That you can do by using the @ symbol. So as you can see, there's a list of emails that I can direct my comment to. So right now, I've directed it to myself using my own email, and I can type something. And now this person will get a notification that this comment is directed towards them and that they should check it out. This can be useful also if you have a task or something that you want to assign to a person. By using the @ symbol, you can type in someone, and if you click assign to you, then it'll notify the person that they have something that needs to be done. And here you can mark the comment as done. It's similar to resolving the comment in just a regular comment. It'll hide it right here, and you can see it in your comment history. You can also mark it as done in the comment history itself. You can click mark as done, and as you can see, the comment is deleted from the right side of my page. Now another thing about comments is notifications. So right now, my notifications are set to all, which means that all of the comments that I type, I get an email notification for. But if I wanted to, I could set it to only yours, which means that I'll only get notifications for comments that like I wrote, that I got responses, or something like that. And if I want, I can click no notifications, which means I won't get any notifications for any comments on this document. So yeah, comments are a great way to stay organized and to make your notes more effective.